Okay, so let's have a look at the tabular statement for Delaney 2017. So with any tabular statement, you'll have a list of your balance sheet and the items on your balance sheet. So we've got our fixed assets, current assets. Note here, it says debtors less provision of 4% of 86,400. So we need to find out how much is our debtors for 100%. So it's going to be one working that we're going to do to start. We've got less creditors amount due falling within 1 year, and we got our finance by. And then we'll have a list of different transactions that take place each month. So we've got January, February, March, April, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So there's 11 months there. So we're going to need to have 13 columns, and then it tells you what we need to do. Now I know with the new leaving cert that there's only 10 columns in that sheet of paper. So hopefully that these adjustments will match up to that. So the first thing you have to do is you have to list all your assets and list all your liabilities in your tabular statement. So the top section will have our assets, the bottom section will have our liabilities, and we're going to put in our cost and our depreciation in that. So we're going to start off with that in our tabular statement. Just wrote down all the items that I have in my assets and all the items I have in my liabilities, and now we're just going to fill them in. So for our land and buildings, it's 630,000. Then I'm going to put in my depreciation as a negative figure, so minus 25,000. Then I've got my vehicles of 50,000. And then my depreciation, my vehicles of 27,000. Then I've got equipment, 15,000. And I've got my depreciation of equipment of minus 3,000. Next item then, I've got my stock of 73,000. Now, my debtors then, so my debtors here, it says it's 86,400. So I need to do a calculation on that to calculate what's the 100% of my debtors and what is the provision to put in here. So 96% is equal to 86,400. So that's taken straight from the question. So debtors 86,400. This is less 4%. So it's 86,400 is 96%. So you're going to get 1%, which is 9,000. So 100% is going to be equal to 90,000. So in on my tabular statement, my debtors are 90,000, and then debtors is 90,000 less the 86,400 will give us a provision of 3,600. So your provision then is going to be minus 3,600. So then you're going to skip a couple of lines just in case there's some new adjustments to put in, and then so I usually skip 3 lines, and then we'll get a total then of this column. So the total of what our assets are. Remember, your assets should equal your liabilities because of the accounting equation. So the accounting equation is where your assets are equal to your liabilities plus your capital. So now we're going to do the same for our liabilities. We're going to list all the items we have. So creditors 54,000. Then we got our bank 32,000. Our bank can be as an asset as a minus figure. I'm going to keep it in here. Expenses due 6,000. So I skipped VAT there for some reason, so I'll go back up and put my VAT in. VAT 8,400. Then we got our issued capital. Make sure it's the issued capital 5,600. The share premium on that then is 30,000. And then the profit and loss then is 109. So same again, skip 3 lines, and then you're going to get the sum or the total of the column, and the two ones should be the same. So that's the first part. So we've listed our assets, listed our liabilities in the question. That's going to be our opening balance put in. And then I need to put my columns in for the rest of the question. So just tidied it up a little bit. So I've put my opening balance, I've put in my columns with the heading from the transactions from the question. So these transactions here, so January, February, March, April down along, and I've put in a total column. And then I just put in a double and single line just for my totals for the top section for my assets, and also from the bottom section for my liabilities. And now we're ready to move on to January and input the information on your tabular statement for January. So that's your opening balances done, making sure that you look out for your debtors. So there'll always be an adjustment in your debtors, so you need to calculate what your debtors figure is and what the provision for bad debts is, and also include your depreciation in as a negative figure.